In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a click-to-call link button in Squarespace. This is an excellent way to make it easier for your website visitors to get in touch with you directly. So let's explore how you can set this up step by step. To begin with, we'll head over to Common Ninja. It's a fantastic tool for adding different widgets to your website. Once you're there, look for and click on Widgets Plus. This section houses various widgets, but for today, our focus is on creating a call button. In the search bar, type Call Button to find the exact widget we'll be working with. Once you've located the call button, go ahead and click on it. Doing this will take you to a new page where you'll see an option to Create a Call Button. Just click on that and you'll be directed to an editor. Here you can customize the look and feel of your call button to match your brand and preferences. After you're satisfied with your design, make sure you click Publish. This crucial step will save your button settings internally in Common Ninja. Next, you'll want to click on Save Widget. The widget you create can be stored in different folders, so you'll have an option to select where you'd like to keep it. Choose the appropriate folder where you want to organize your widgets, and then hit Save Changes. After doing so, you'll see an option to Copy Code. Click this to capture the code you'll later embed into your Squarespace site. Shifting over to Squarespace, navigate to the editor section of your site where you'd like the call button to be displayed. You'll want to click on ADD Block, a function in Squarespace that allows you to incorporate various features into your site. Once the block options appear, select Embed. This will bring up a placeholder where you'll paste your widget's embed code. To embed the code, click on Edit to access the code management area. Here you'll find Code Snippet. Click on it and another dialog box will appear, prompting you to embed data. Now it's time to paste the embed code you earlier copied from Common Ninja. With the code successfully pasted, our final step is to click Save. This action will ensure that the changes have been successfully made, and your click-to-call button is now live on your Squarespace site. That's all there is to it. You now have a functional click-to-call button that enables visitors to contact you easily with just one click. Remember, being accessible to your audience can significantly enhance your engagement and potentially boost your business. Thank you for watching, and happy web modifying.